My strong hand.
Oh my god.
Let me see it. Let me see the hand.
Literally, this is the only finger I can move. Literally. Don't go up close up. I'll kick your ass.
What'd you say?
I'm eating.
Someone got new shoes.
I know. Stop it.
What you seeing is a puppy
Nothing in the refrigerator.
who peed on the floor, and now we taught, you know, punish them.
Cookie, no.
Johnny, move.
No.
Johnny.
Blue, no.
What?
Toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Eyes and ears and elbows and
Eyes and ears and elbows and
nose. Oh no, and
I know. I don't got money.
if you guys know the last lyric, put it in the comment.
I'm saying,
I don't got money.
Look.
Do the Macarena. Do the Macarena.
What's the Macarena again? Which one is it?
Hey, Macarena.
I don't know. You can still come in.
I can jerk off my own penis.
I'm
Wow.
about to zoom into the. Now I can't put this on YouTube. Now it has to go to World Star Hip Hop.
Why?
Because he can jerk himself off.
You can't show a penis on.
Don't lie though.
It's a duck penis. It's natural.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me zoom in then.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, sure. Look.
I zoomed in right into his penis.
Shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and... Don't fight it! Don't fight it! Eyes and ears and...
Make him shuffle. Make him shuffle.
Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck.
Pobrecito.
Say hi to the camera.
That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. Oh man.
Enough, dude. Oh, fuck. Come on. It's my week. Oh!
Wait, Fatima.
Oh shit. Shoot it up! Shoot it up! Oh, that's awesome. Shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me!
Oh! No, no. No.
Video.
Tomando vas.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, world.
Las de vacaciones.
Where are we at, guys?
Not me, Louis. Got mad close.
Fail. Andy, did you get that on camera?
And rings for a couple seconds. Let it signal.
Cause then we don't have to walk it back here.
So easy. Like,
what are you guys waiting for?
I'm just really paranoid, I guess.
Listen, this thing is on your list. Go do it. Go get it. Go get it.
Paranoid?
Come on.
I can show the hairy body now. I'm so scared about
I got your cheerleader right here.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, baby.
Go check him in there.
Yeah, oh my God.
He's about to start crying. He's crying. Go, go, go. Come on, man. Preferably before my battery life dies.
Why am I so nervous?
How do you feel right now?
Nervous as shit.
Guys, give me a high five.
So these guys want to swim all the way across to over there.
If it finds out, I'm gonna be fucked.
It's gonna take a while.
Huh?
A question. What are you gonna do after?
Walk back. Or swim back. Either way.
Either one. Look, depends on how it is. Though. Look at this guy. Look at him.
Where is he? Where is he?
He doesn't like that.
Where's who?
The guy this way?
We need to ask him how what. That looks like Pablo.
I know, he does. Isn't it him? Pablo.
Yeah.
Huh? Isn't it him?
Oh, he's a lifeguard. Ask him how that was.
This is making me nervous.
Who?
All of them. I don't want them swimming across. What if they drown?
We're about to swim all the way. Crazy ass niggas.
How do you feel?
Mine's the hair, right? I don't know, I can do it. So let's see. Mincho, how do you feel? This is easy.
How do you feel, Mincho?
Confess to the camera, confess to the camera.
I'm nervous as shit. I don't want my dad to
You
find
think you
out.
can do it?
Oh, parents are coming.
Do it now then.
It's too late.
No, it's not. Go.
Who's that? Is that our parents? No, right?
Mincho, you're just way
No,
too
it's not. Go. Yeah, just go. Just do
Yo,
it.
relax. Can you swim?
Yes, of course I can.
Marco, how do you feel?
So just...
You think you can do it? You think you can do it?
Oh, yeah.
No, chill.
Very chill.
We're gonna walk back, aren't we?
Yeah?
Don't look back. Look how sexy that is.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Keep the tiger.
Tiger.
Keep the tiger. You look so cute.
Swimming in this.
Huh?
That was Jessica did.
Yeah, say something to the camera.
What?
Say something.
What?
Anything you want to tell anyone?